Hey, it's Melissa, and I'm going to make my world famous spinach casserole. I used to do a spinach quiche and ham and cheese quiche in a 9-inch dish. So basically I've tripled that recipe, and I've added some things like ricotta, extra cheese, and artichoke hearts, which I will be cutting up. Now, one thing I recently added to this dish was hot sausage, because I usually will pair this with chicken or something. But I'm going to cook this sausage. It's going to be, I'm going to drain it and put it as a layer on the bottom, and it's really going to add a lot of flavor. So you can take or leave the sausage. I'm going to put pie crust, but not on the bottom because it'll get gooey, just along the top edge. And I have my mom's homemade pie crust I'm using this time. Otherwise, I'll use a generic brand from the store that's not sweet. So I'm going to cook this up. I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to start with cooking the sausage and then microwaving the spinach, and then for about 8 minutes, all 3 of these. And then I'm going to drain it, squeeze out some of the juice, and then cut all these up, throw it all in, and mix it together. And bake it for 350 for about 1 hour and 20 minutes till it's good and brown on the top. I'm probably going to turn it the last 20 minutes so it's evenly brown. So check back in a little bit and we'll see how it is. And we're back. I've got the cooked sausage on a layer in this 9x13 dish, and crust just around the edge. I know it looks kind of funny, but there's not going to be any soggy crust, so I like it just around the edge. And I'm going to go ahead and pour in. I wanted you to see this consistency. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in my dish and get it in the oven. You see how it fills the whole thing and right up to that crust. Okay, check back in with me in a second and we'll be done. Okay guys, it is out of the oven. I think I baked it at 350 for 1 hour and 20 minutes. It looks delicious. I threw extra crust on top that I had, and I actually never had to put full on the crust to keep it from over browning. Maybe because it's a homemade crust, I don't know. And sorry if I look a little frazzled. I was gone about 45 minutes while I was baking, putting open house signs out. So anyway, but this spinach casserole, I'm going to be able to eat on this all week, and even share it. And it's going to be great if you're having company, if you've got a big family, you're having company, or maybe you're at a bed and breakfast or whatever. This has everything in it. Sausage, cheese, eggs, greens, got the carbs in the crust. It's got everything in it for a complete breakfast or meal. I'm going to have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and I'm going to enjoy it anytime. If you like the recipe, please ask for it in the comment section. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I've got a lot of educational videos, informative videos, fun videos, and they're usually short and sweet. So it's all for a good time. All right, take care.